muscles of the sole of foot which are present in the 4 layer. So tell me the name of the, before we start with the nerves, tell me the name of the muscles which are present in the sole of foot one by one. First layer में कौन से muscles होते हैं? कौन से muscles होते हैं first layer में? Hello.
Ma'am, abductor hallucis brevis, abductor digitorum brevis, abductor digitum minimi.
No, there are not the all of the abductors. There are 2 abductor and 1 flexor. तो पहला फ्लेक्सर कौन सा है? फ्लेक्सर डिजिटोरम ब्रेविस. And the 2 abductors are the abductor hallucis and the abductor digiti minimi. Then in the second layer कौन से muscles होते हैं second layer में? Muscles which are present in the second layer of the sole of foot.
Flexor hallucis longus, flexor digital longus, flexor digiti associal or lumbrical char.
Lumbrical. So you can remember it by that there are all the long flexors along with their accessory muscles. So accessory muscle कौन सी होती है? एक तो accessorious होती है जो flexor digitorum longus की accessory muscle है, and another is the lumbrical. Then in the third layer there is one adductor between the 2 flexor. तो 2 flexor, one for the great toe, one for the little toe. So for the great toe there is the flexor hallucis brevis, and for the little toe there is the flexor digiti minimi brevis, and in between these two there is a adductor hallucis, and in the last 4th layer there are the introitiae. कितने introitiae होते हैं? How many dorsal, how many plantar? बताओ कितने dorsal introitiae हैं और कितने plantar हैं?
डॉर्सल में 3 और नहीं, डॉर्सल में 4 और प्लांटर में 3.
Yes, there are 4 dorsal introitiae and 3 plantar introitiae. Now we will continue with the nerves. So how many nerves are present in the sole of foot? कौन-कौन से nerve पढ़ेंगे हम? Medial plantar and the lateral plantar. So first I will teach you about the before this, see the slide, previous one. There are 2 neurovascular plane between the layer of the sole. One is the superficial plane and another one is the deep. The superficial plane actually lies between the first and second layer of the sole. जो muscles है उनके बीच में हो. There are mainly the trunk of the medial and lateral plantar nerve and the arteries. So जो main trunk है, the main trunk is present between the first and second layer, and it is termed as the superficial neurovascular plane, while the deep neurovascular plane between the third and fourth layer. And here in the deep neurovascular plane are the deep branches of the nerve and artery, deep lateral plantar nerve and the artery. तो ये आपको याद रखना है कि जो deep branch है nerve और artery की, lateral plantar nerve and artery, that lies in the deep neurovascular plane, which is present between the third and fourth layer of the sole. Now see, first the medial plantar nerve. So as you know, the medial and lateral plantar nerve both are the terminal branches of the tibial nerve. पीछे से आ रही है from the posterior compartment of the leg. So the tibial nerve divide into its 2 terminal branches. Out of them, the medial plantar nerve is the larger one. So here, as you can see, this is the porta pedis. Porta pedis क्या होता है? Porta pedis is a space beneath the flexor retinaculum and between the medial tubercle of the calcaneum, और जो हमारा medial side है, medial malleolus, उनके बीच में जो space है उसको porta pedis बोलते हैं. It is written in your books also. So as we are seeing, we will see from the posterior compartment of the leg, they all enter into the sole through beneath the flexor retinaculum and between the medial malleolus and the medial tubercle of calcaneus. So ये एक gateway है. This is the main gate to the sole of the foot. which is present between the tibia का जो medial malleolus है and the medial tubercle of the calcaneus and beneath the flexor retiniculum, under cover of the flexor retiniculum. तो ये line आप हर जगह पढ़ोगे. This is a common line for the medial plantar nerve, lateral plantar nerve, medial plantar artery, lateral plantar artery. They all enter into the sole of foot beneath the flexor retiniculum, between the medial malleolus and the medial tubercle of the calcaneum. तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. Then what happens to the medial plantar nerve when it reaches to the sole of foot? Now here, see this diagram carefully. No need to draw this diagram. आपकी book में भी simplified diagram है, and I will show you in the next slide. Just try to understand the course of the medial plantar nerve by this diagram. So focus over here. This is the medial side of the foot, as you can see, the great toe. So the first muscle which you can see here, ये जो cut muscle दिख रहा है आपको, that is the muscle of the first layer of the sole. तो ये कौन सा मसल होगा? बिल्कुल बीच में कौन सा मसल होता है which is present along the whole of the sole of foot? कौन सा मसल है ये?
Adductor hallucis. Abductor hallucis.
No. Why abductor hallucis?
Flexor digitorum brevis.
Yes, there is. आपको याद रखना है one flexor between two abductor. First layer में एक flexor है जो दो abductor के बीच में है. So here this is the flexor digitorum brevis. This is abductor hallucis and this is abductor digiti minimi. ये लिखा नहीं हुआ है यहाँ पे, लेकिन आपको अब पता होना चाहिए when we have done with the muscles. So here you can see this medial plantar nerve actually enters in the sole of foot beneath this abductor hallucis. ये abductor hallucis यहाँ कट हो रखा है, तो ये जो abductor hallucis है उसके नीचे एंटर करता है. After passing between the medial malleolus and the medial tubercle of calcaneus and of course under cover of the flexor retiniculum, यहाँ से होके when it enters into the sole of foot, it is present beneath the abductor hallucis. So here you can see it passes forward deep to the abductor hallucis. ये जो abductor hallucis muscle है उसके deep में होता है. This is the medial plantar nerve along with the, you can see the medial plantar artery. ये medial plantar artery होती है which lies on the medial side of this medial plantar nerve. Medial plantar nerve lateral side में है. Medial plantar artery is on the medial side. So you can say the medial plantar nerve enters into the sole of foot by passing through this gateway, porta pedis, and then it passes beneath the abductor hallucis, and the medial plantar artery lies on its medial side. Then it runs forward, as you can see, beneath the abductor hallucis, it runs forward, and where it terminates? It terminates at the base of the metatarsal. अब ये metatarsal bones हैं. You can see here first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So as it reaches over the base of the first metatarsal bone, it ends by dividing into the plantar digital nerve. You can see here, this is the first plantar digital nerve. Then here are these three plantar digital nerve. ये एक जो branch है, वो कहाँ जा रहा है अलग से? Towards the medial side of the great toe, and then through a common stem, it divides further into the three plantar digital nerves, as you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. These all three are the branches of this medial plantar nerve. So there is a very simple course of the medial plantar nerve. कुछ नहीं है. It passes under cover of the flexor retiniculum. Then it enters into the sole of foot between the medial malleolus and the medial tubercle of calcaneus. Then it passes deep to the abductor hallucis. ये जो पहली muscle है abductor hallucis, उसके deep से जाएगा. Then it runs forward and of course in the medial direction in the forward. Then at the base of the first metatarsal bone, it divides into its plantar digital nerves. Now see here, this is a simplified diagram which you can draw. So here you can see this is the medial plantar nerve. So please remember, it supplies the four muscles. ये कौन सी? ये मैंने आपको इस diagram में I have shown you the course of the medial plantar nerve कि कैसे आया और कैसे divide हुआ. Now see the branches of the medial plantar nerve. So first branch, as it passes between these two muscles, यहाँ पे देखो आप, ये दो muscles है, flexor digitorum brevis and the abductor hallucis. So it provide muscular branches to these two muscles by its main trunk. जो इसका main trunk है, this is the main trunk of the medial plantar nerve. So through the main trunk, it supplies the two muscles, abductor hallucis. It supplies the two muscles, abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis. Then it gives off a digital nerve to the medial side of the great toe. ये medial side of great toe के लिए है. And by this nerve, it supplies the muscle flexor hallucis brevis. ये किसको सप्लाई करता है? Flexor hallucis brevis को. This is the flexor hallucis brevis. Then here is the plantar digital nerves. Through these nerves, ये जो तीन नर्व है उसमें से जो ये फर्स्ट वाला है, through this it supplies the first lumbrical. So first lumbrical, flexor hallucis brevis, abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis are supplied by the medial plantar nerve. So this medial plantar nerve supplies actually the four muscles. And then what happens to these plantar digital nerves? These plantar digital nerves divides into two proper digital nerves for the adjacent side of the second, third and fourth toe. तो ये किसको सप्लाई कर रहा है? It is like the median nerve. जैसे median nerve है palm में, the same role is played by this medial plantar nerve in the sole of the foot. So it supplies basically 3.5 digit. As you can see here, it supplies 3.5 digit. Similarly, as in the palm, the 3.5 lateral 3.5 fingers are supplied by the median nerve. उसी तरह से यहाँ पर ये जो medial 3.5 digits हैं, they are supplied by the this medial plantar nerve. So please remember these four muscles. तो कौन कौन से muscles हैं ये? There are the abductor hallucis, flexor digitorum brevis, flexor hallucis brevis and the first lumbrical. ये चार muscles हो गए. Then cutaneous, plantar cutaneous branches, they supply the skin of the medial 2/3 of the sole of foot and the plantar digital nerves which supplies the medial 3.5 of the digit. ये जो 3.5 है, they are supplied by the this 3.5 digit by the plantar digital nerves. So it's a very simple nerve. बहुत ही simple सा कोर्स है इसका. तो समझ में आया आपको medial plantar nerve? कोई डाउट है तो पूछो.
Yes मैम आ गया.
आ गया? Okay. Now we will go to the second nerve, that is the lateral plantar. उससे पहले आप इसका in addition to this, it also provide articular branches to the joints. जिस joint को cross कर रही है, it will supplies all the joints like the tarsometatarsal joint, metatarsophalangeal joint and the interphalangeal joint. Now the medial plantar nerve is very common for the entrapment as it is deeply compressed and irritated when it passes beneath the abductor hallucis. Actually the main weight bearing area is our medial side. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा weight हमारा body का होता है. That's why the medial plantar nerve can be compressed here or irritated by the repeated use of the repetitive eversion of foot. रनिंग है, जिम्नास्टिक है, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा इवर्जन होता है, तो उस टाइम जो है रनर्स में this can be compressed. Now what happens if this medial plantar nerve is compressed? It causes aching, numbness and paresthesia. Paresthesia is the perverted feeling of sensation on the medial side of the sole of foot as it supplies the medial side. So it is also known as the jogger's foot. जो बहुत ज्यादा रनिंग करते हैं, जिम्नास्टिक्स होते हैं, sometimes this may be compressed if they don't use the proper things. तो ये जो medial plantar nerve है, it can be entrapped just beneath the flexor retinaculum deep to this abductor hallucis muscle. तो ये याद रखना है आपको, abductor hallucis muscle में के deep में इसका entrapment होता है during repetitive eversion of the foot. So it is also termed as the jogger's foot. Now come to the lateral plantar nerve. Lateral plantar nerve is the smaller terminal branch of the tibial nerve. The larger one is the medial. Now the smaller branch is the lateral plantar nerve. Now same as I told you, ये सारी की सारी जो nerves arteries हैं, उनका same course है. They enter into the sole of foot by the porta pedis. Porta pedis is a space between the medial malleolus and the medial tubercle of calcaneus under cover of the flexor reticulum. तो वहां से एंटर करेगा ये. एज यू कैन सी हियर, अभी तक तो कोर्स इसका सेम ही है यहाँ पे, जस्ट बीनीथ दी एबडक्टर हालूसिस. सो इट पासेस फॉरवर्ड एंड लेटरली. बस मीडियल प्लांटर नर्व मीडियल साइड में जा रहा है और लेटरल प्लांटर नर्व जो है वो लैटरल साइड में जाएगा. सो इट पासेस फॉरवर्ड एंड लैटरली डीप टू द एबडक्टर हालूसिस. ये जो एबडक्टर हालूसिस है उसके डीप में इट विल रन फॉरवर्ड एंड लेटरली. सो यू कैन सी लैटरली ये कहाँ पे आएगा, ओवर द बेस ऑफ द फिफ्थ मेटाटार्सल बोन. वो फर्स्ट मेटाटार्सल पे था, ये फिफ्थ पे है. So it terminates at the base of the fifth metatarsal by dividing into a superficial branch. As you can see here, this is the superficial branch of the lateral plantar nerve and a deep branch which passes forwards and medially. तो ये वाला कौन सा branch है? Deep branch. So there is a deep branch and a superficial branch. तो बिल्कुल सिंपल सा है इसको कि ये first it passes beneath the abductor hallucis muscle, then it turns forwards and laterally, and when it reaches up to the fifth metatarsal, base of the fifth metatarsal, it divides into a superficial branch and a deep branch. Superficial branch जो है, now see, ये जो अब इसमें जो भी ये मसल्स आप यहाँ पे देखो कि जो सुपरफिशियल ब्रांच है, इट एक्चुअली प्रोवाइड्स द क्यूटेनियस ब्रांचेस. ये क्यूटेनियस ब्रांच दे रहा है और एक जो है मस्कुलर ब्रांच भी देगा. अदरवाइज द मेन ब्रांचेस इज द क्यूटेनियस ब्रांचेस एंड दीज क्यूटेनियस ब्रांचेस आर फॉर द lateral 1.5 digit because the medial 3.5 is supplied by the medial plantar nerve. So rest of the lateral 1.5 यहाँ पे जो भी skin है सोल का और lateral 1/3 of the sole of foot and this digit का ये जो space है, this is supplied by the superficial branch of the lateral plantar nerve. Now see, first of all the branches of the lateral plantar nerve. So by the main trunk it supplies two muscle, flexor digitorum accessorius and the abductor digiti minimi. Because the abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis is supplied by the medial plantar. तो अब ये जो यहाँ पे मसल है flexor digitorum brevis and the flexor digitorum accessorius जो second layer का मसल है and the abductor digiti minimi, they are supplied by the main trunk. Then by the superficial branch it supplies the flexor digiti minimi brevis. ये देखो आप यहाँ पे ये है, ये divide हो गया superficial branch में और इधर ये जा रहा है deep branch. Then the superficial branch again divide into two plantar digital nerves, one for the little side, lateral side of the little toe and one for the adjacent side of the fourth and fifth toe, as you can see here. तो इसी से ही एक branch जाता है to the flexor digiti minimi brevis. Now rest all of the muscles are supplied by the deep branch. तो उस deep branch में adductor है हमारा, इंट्रोशिया, ये जो सारे इंट्रोशियाएं हैं they are supplied by the जो first, second और third वाला है. यहाँ पे देखो आप इस डायग्राम को ध्यान से कि जो इंट्रोशियाएं हैं ऑफ द फोर्थ स्पेस, तो फोर्थ स्पेस में कौन सा इंट्रोशिया होगा हमारा? फोर्थ डॉर्सल इंट्रोशिया एंड द थर्ड प्लांटर इंट्रोशिया विच इज द लास्ट इंट्रोशिया. फोर्थ डॉर्सल, थर्ड प्लांटर इंट्रोशिया, they are supplied by this and जो बाकी की हैं ये वाली first, second and third, they are supplied by the introschia of the first, second and third space, and the lumbricals which is second, third and fourth lumbrical, they are supplied by the this deep branch of the lateral plantar nerve. And introschia of fourth metatarsal space, मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन कर रही हूँ. Then introschia except the fourth space. Now see, तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि द लेटरल प्लांटर नर्व कैसे कैसे सप्लाई कर रहा है ये बाय द मेन ट्रंक इट सप्लाइज द फ्लेक्सर डिजिटोरम एक्सेसोरियस abductor digiti minimi and the flexor digitorum accessorius by the superficial branch ये सप्लाई कर रहा है फ्लेक्सर डिजिटी मिनिमी ब्रेविस को एंड द इंट्रोशियाई ऑफ द फोर्थ स्पेस व्हिच इज द फोर्थ डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई एंड द थर्ड प्लांटर इंट्रोशियाई एंड डीप ब्रांच द एडक्टर हालुसिस मसल इंट्रोशियाई जो हमारे ये तीन है अब दो प्लांटर रह गए फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एंड थ्री डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड थर्ड एंड द लुम्ब्राइकल्स सेकंड लुम्ब्राइकल थर्ड एंड फोर्थ बिकॉज़ द फर्स्ट लुम्ब्राइकल इज सप्लाइड बाय द फर्स्ट लुम्ब्राइकल किससे सप्लाई हो रहा है फर्स्ट लुम्ब्राइकल इज सप्लाइड बाय व्हिच
medial plantar nerve. Medial plantar के जो branches digital nerve
medial
उनसे.
plantar nerve yes and ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कि सारे इंट्रोशियाई डीप ब्रांच से नहीं हो रहे हैं जो फोर्थ मेटाटार्सल की इंट्रोशियाई हैं व्हिच इज वो सुपरफिशियल ब्रांच से सप्लाई हो रहा है नाउ कम टू द क्यूटेनियस क्यूटेनियस में skin of the lateral 1/3 of the sole, lateral side of the plantar surface of the little toe, and adjoining side of the fourth and fifth toes. They all are supplied by the lateral plantar nerve, and they also supplies. ये भी important है. The plantar digital nerves also supply the skin of the dorsum of the terminal phalanges of the lateral 1.5 toe. और आप simply बोल सकते हो the area around the nail bud, जो हमारे nails होते हैं. उनके अराउंड जो एरिया है दैट इज आल्सो सप्लाइड बाय दीज प्लांटर नर्व्स बोथ इन द केस ऑफ द मीडियल एंड लेटरल प्लांटर नर्व तो जो नेल बेड है अराउंड द टोज दैट इज सप्लाइड बाय द मीडियल एंड द लेटरल प्लांटर नर्व इन द केस ऑफ medial 3.5 digit it is supplied by the medial plantar nerve and in the lateral 1.5 digit it is supplied by the lateral plantar nerve now come to the arteries. So there are two arteries, the medial plantar artery and the lateral plantar artery. We have done with the nerves, medial and lateral plantar nerves. वो मैंने पहले किया था. The medial plantar artery, one of the two terminal branches of the posterior tibial artery. As I told you, इनका same gate है, porta pedis to enter into the sole of foot. So it enters the foot midway between the medial malleolus and the medial tubercle of calcaneus under cover of the flexor retinaculum. Then it passes forward deep to the abductor hallucis. यहाँ पे. And between these two muscles, abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis. ये flexor digitorum brevis है and this is the abductor hallucis. इन दोनों के बीच में से ये देखो आप यहाँ पे same diagram है ये. This is the medial plantar artery. This is the lateral plantar artery. So medial plantar artery runs between the abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis. Now see, ये यहाँ पे medial side में run कर रही है. Then it terminates by anastomosing with the first plantar metatarsal arteries. तो जो प्लांटर मेटाटार्सल आर्टरीज होती हैं दे आर दी ब्रांचेस ऑफ द प्लांटर आर्च. अब पहले आप इस डायग्राम को समझो. जस्ट सी हियर, दिस इज द पोस्टीरियर टिबियल आर्टरी, दिस इज द मीडियल प्लांटर एंड दिस इज लेटरल प्लांटर. सो ये मीडियल प्लांटर रन कर रही है मीडियल साइड पे एंड दिस लेटरल प्लांटर इज एक्चुअली फॉर्मिंग द प्लांटर आर्च. ये जो लेटरल प्लांटर आर्टरी है ये दो में डिवाइड होती है, सुपरफिशियल एंड डीप ब्रांच. तो जो डीप ब्रांच होती है, डीप ब्रांच ऑफ द लेटरल प्लांटर आर्टरी, इट फॉर्म्स द प्लांटर आर्च. अभी आप ये याद रखो कि बस ये जो प्लांटर आर्च है इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द लेटरल प्लांटर आर्टरी. ये प्लांटर आर्च बना रही है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डॉर्सैलिस पेडिस. डॉर्सैलिस पेडिस आप पढ़ चुके हो. तो डॉर्सैलिस पेडिस आर्टरी, after joining this dorsalis pedis, the deep branch of the lateral plantar artery forms the plantar arch, and this plantar arch gives off these plantar metatarsal arteries. As you can see here, 4 plantar metatarsal artery, 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो ये 4 plantar metatarsal arteries देता है and these 4 plantar metatarsal arteries then divides into proper digital plantar arteries. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे ये जो चारों हैं, 4th, 3rd, 2nd and the 1st. So these 4 plantar metatarsal arteries, when they reaches up to the head of the metatarsal, or you can say at the interphalangeal joint, यहाँ पे आके ये divide हो जाती है into the 2 proper digital plantar arteries for each side of the toes, except the lateral side of the little toe and the medial side of the great toe. तो ये वाली जो है ये कैसे टर्मिनेट होती है medial plantar artery? It terminates by anastomosing with the first plantar metatarsal artery. तो ये वाली पहली हमारी plantar metatarsal artery है, which is the branch of this plantar arch. तो ये जो first plantar metatarsal artery है उससे join करके ये end हो जाती है medial plantar artery. Now see the branches. Branches वही उन दो muscles को supply करेगी through which it enters into the sole of foot, abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis. जो first layer का muscle है हमारा abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis. So it supplies both of these muscles. Then it gives off one branch to the medial side of the great toe. अब आप देख रहे हो, it gives off one branch on the medial side of the great toe or big toe. यहाँ पे है. Then 3 superficial digital branches. अब कहाँ है वो superficial digitals? अब कहाँ है वो 3 superficial branches इस डायग्राम में? ये ब्रांच ये रही 3 digital arteries ये to the first metatarsal arteries को, which are the branches of this plantar arch. आ रही है बात समझ में आपको कि ये जो मीडियल प्लांटर आर्टरी है कुछ नहीं है, सिंपल सी है. नर्व और आर्टरी में कंफ्यूज मत होना आप लोग बस. तो जो मीडियल प्लांटर आर्टरी है, तीन कोर्स है. इट विल एंटर इनटू द सोल ऑफ फुट बाय द पोर्टा पैडिस, देन इट रन्स बिटवीन द हिप टू दिस एब्डक्टर हैलुसिस एंड द फ्लेक्सर डिजिटोरम ब्रेविस. इन दोनों के बीच में रन करेगी. तो जब ये इन दोनों के बीच में रन करती है, इट विल सप्लाई दीस टू मसल्स, एब्डक्टर हैलुसिस एंड द it passes forward deep to the abductor hallucis muscle between the abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis. तो ये उन दोनों को supply करेगी. Then it ends by anastomosing with the first plantar metatarsal artery. First plantar metatarsal artery is a branch of the plantar arch. Then muscular branches, दो muscle हो गया. One branch to the medial side of the great toe, and then the 3 superficial branches. 3 superficial digital branches, and these branches anastomosis with the first, second and third plantar metatarsal artery. तो जब आप draw करोगे, first draw this plantar arch, उसके बाद में इससे 4th plantar metatarsal arteries बनानी है आपको, उसको divide करना है into proper digital branches, and then just in the dotted line anastomosis these 3 digital arteries with the first, second and third plantar metatarsal artery. Now come to the lateral plantar artery. It is the larger terminal branch of the posterior tibial. So posterior tibial की जो lateral plantar है, as I told you, अब तक हमने जितना भी पढ़ा है, the medial plantar nerve, the lateral plantar nerve and the medial plantar artery, they actually run in the first neurovascular plane, which is the superficial neurovascular plane between the muscle of the first and second layer of the sole of foot. As I told you earlier, there is a deep neurovascular plane which lies between the 3rd and 4th layer of the sole of muscle, and which actually lodges the lateral plantar artery and the lateral plantar nerve. So now see, first it first passes between the first and second layer, then it reaches the base of the 5th metatarsal bone. Same जैसे lateral plantar nerve का पढ़ा था, बिल्कुल उसी तरह से है. ये यहाँ से forward और laterally जाएगा at the base of the 5th metatarsal bone, and here it divide into a superficial branch and a deep branch. तो ये deep plantar arch है जो deep branch बनाएगी, और इसी के ही along, इसी की ही concavity में run करती है हमारी lateral deep branch of the lateral plantar nerve. पढ़ा ना हमने कि lateral plantar nerve and the lateral plantar artery both divides into the superficial branch and the deep branch. ठीक है, artery भी और nerve भी. तो जो nerve है that also passes towards the medial direction. Similarly, the artery also passes in the medial direction to form the plantar arch. So here in the foot there is only one arch. जैसे हम palm में दो पढ़ते हैं, superficial palmar arch and the deep palmar arch, but in the sole of the foot there is only the plantar arch. So don't get confused with this deep plantar arch. चाहे deep plantar arch कह दो, चाहे plantar arch कह दो, there is only one arch in the sole of foot, that is the plantar arch भी बोल सकते हो आप simply इसको. तो ये divide होता है into the superficial branch and the deep branch. Now what happen after this? The superficial branch supplies the skin of the lateral side of the toe. आप देख रहे हो, बस और कुछ नहीं दे रहा है ये. एक सीधी से एक branch जा रही है superficial इससे. The superficial branch supplies the skin of the lateral side of the sole, little toe, and provide anastomotic branches to the lateral tarsal and the arcuate arteries. किसकी branch होती है lateral tarsal and arcuate arteries? Tell me the lateral tarsal or dorsalis pedis की. As I told you कि यहाँ पे ये जो plantar arch है, it gives off the plantar metatarsal artery. So similarly there are the dorsal metatarsal arteries. So the dorsal metatarsal arteries कितनी होती हैं? क्या कितना नंबर होता है? There are 4 plantar. How many dorsal metatarsal arteries are there? बताओ. ये plantar metatarsal artery तो plantar arch की branches हैं. Similarly there are the dorsal metatarsal arteries. Anyone, किसी को मालूम है कितनी होती हैं dorsal metatarsal arteries? There are, let me tell you, there are four. There are 4 dorsal metatarsal arteries. So first dorsal metatarsal artery is a branch of
Dorsalis pedis.
Dorsal metatarsal artery.
Dorsalis pedis.
Dorsalis pedis, and rest 3 are the branches of, yes, and rest 3 are the branches of the arcuate artery. जो second, third और fourth dorsal metatarsal arteries है, these are the branches of the arcuate artery. तो अब आप देखो यहाँ पे ये हो गया lateral. तो lateral plantar artery में आपको ध्यान रखना है कि at the base of the fifth metatarsal, similarly the lateral plantar nerve, it divides into the superficial and a deep branch. Superficial branch का simple सा course है, it supplies the integuments or skin of the lateral side of the sole and the little toe and provide communicating anastomotic branches to the lateral tarsal and the arcuate arteries. Now the deep branch. जो deep branch है lateral plantar artery का, that turns forward and medially. So to see this, just try to understand this diagram. This is a TS. ये transverse section है right foot का. So you can see all the layers one by one. This is the superficial side and this is the deep. So in the superficial side, first draw the 3 muscles: abductor hallucis on the medial side, flexor digitorum brevis, abductor digiti minimi. Then this is the second layer. In the second layer, this is the tendon of the flexor hallucis longus and flexor digitorum longus. यहाँ पे. Then third layer, flexor digiti minimi brevis, flexor hallucis brevis and the adductor hallucis, and then these are the metatarsal. उनके बीच में ये 4 dorsal interossei बनाने हैं आपको. First, second, third and fourth, and 3 plantar interossei. जो छोटी वाली हैं, these are the plantar interossei. So it is a very easy and simple diagram to draw. First draw the 4 layers, first, second, third, fourth. आपको muscles के नाम पता होने चाहिए, आप easily draw कर लोगे इसको. Now see, the main trunk of the lateral plantar artery runs between the superficial neurovascular plane. जैसे आपको बताया था पहले ही कि ये run करेगा between the first and the second layer. Then here over the lateral side, जैसे ही ये fifth metatarsal के पास पहुंचेगा, it divides into superficial and deep. Now the superficial branch is not shown in this diagram to avoid the complexity. Superficial branch मैंने आपको पहले दिखा दिया है कि ये यहाँ पे the superficial branch supplies the lateral side of the sole and the little toe. सिर्फ skin को supply कर रहा है, it doesn't provide any muscular branch. Then see here. Then what happens to deep branch? It turns forward and medially. As it reaches over the base of the fifth metatarsal, it passes deep to the adductor hallucis. ये आप देख रहे हो, adductor hallucis के डीप में है, the deep branch of the lateral plantar artery, which is actually the main continuation of the lateral plantar. Lateral plantar artery जैसे ही ये एंटर करेगी between the third and fourth layer of the sole of foot, it acts of the superficial branch. आप ये भी बोल सकते हो कि ये जो superficial branch है, जैसे ही ये lateral branch आ रही है, first it runs between the first and second layer, then it enters between the third and fourth layer, just deep to the oblique head of adductor hallucis. So before it enters deep to the adductor hallucis muscle, it just gives off a superficial branch. That is also correct. तो ये एक superficial branch देता है. So here you are only able to see this deep branch, which is actually the continuation of the lateral plantar artery. तो ये आया इधर beneath the oblique head of adductor hallucis. अब ये पूरा रन करेगा between the third and fourth layer जो है मसल के, and then as it reaches the first intermetatarsal space, ये first intermetatarsal space है between the first and the second metatarsal, यहाँ पे dorsal interossea है जिससे dip down होके dorsalis pedis enter करती है. So on reaching the gap between the two head of the dorsal interossea here, with anastomosis with the dorsalis pedis to complete the plantar arch. ये बात आपको समझ में आई? Plantar arch is mainly contributed by the lateral plantar artery after receiving a contribution from the dorsalis pedis, which passes between the two head of the first dorsal interosseous muscle. ये समझ में आया सबको? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here now see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the plantar arch, तो plantar arch एक ही होता है, palm में दो है, यहाँ पे एक ही है. It intervenes between the third and fourth layer of the sole. It is convex distally across the base of the second, third and fourth metatarsal bone. ये convex होता है distally, यहाँ नहीं दिखेगा आपको ये, यहाँ देखो आप. It is convex distally. ये convexity है इसकी towards the second, third and fourth metatarsal. ठीक है? So it is convex distally across the bases of the fourth, third and second metatarsal bone, and it is formed mainly by the deep branch of the lateral plantar artery. Now, the branches of the plantar arch, so it is very simple. It gives off 3 proximal perforating and 4 plantar metatarsal. तो plantar metatarsal तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया. This is the first plantar metatarsal, second, third and fourth. तो ये जो plantar metatarsal arteries है, actually they divides into proper plantar metatarsal arteries. The first plantar metatarsal artery anastomosis with the medial plantar artery. अभी हमने पहले पढ़ा ना medial plantar artery वाली स्लाइड में ये लिखा हुआ है कि anastomosis with the first plantar metatarsal arteries. And the 3 digital branches, they also anastomosis with the first, second and third plantar metatarsal arteries. So there are 4 plantar metatarsal arteries from this plantar arch and 3 perforating arteries. ये देखो 1, 2 and 3. इसको अब इस डायग्राम में देखो आप, ये वाली है फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. ये कौन सी हैं? प्रॉक्सिमल परफोरेटिंग आर्टरीज. यहाँ पे देखो आप, ये प्रॉक्सिमल परफोरेटिंग आर्टरीज है. तो ये क्या करेंगी? दीज आर्टरीज पासेस पियर्स दीज इंट्रोशियाई. कौन से नंबर वाले को? सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. इन डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई को पियर्स करेगा and it will communicate or it will anastomosis with the dorsal metatarsal arteries. जो second, third और fourth dorsal metatarsal arteries है, which are actually the branches of the arcuate artery, उससे ये क्या करेंगी? proximal perforating arteries जो है anastomosis करेंगे. Now we are saying these proximal, so there should be some distal, otherwise we can say that there are 3 perforating arteries. हम proximal बोल रहे हैं, मतलब वहां पर distal भी है. So here you can see the 4 distal perforating arteries. These 4 distal perforating arteries actually the branches of this ये वाली जो plantar metatarsal artery है वहीं से ही आती हैं ये, and they also anastomosis with the dorsal metatarsal arteries. जो dorsal metatarsal जिसमें से first किसकी branch है? dorsalis pedis की, and rest 3 are the branches of the plantar metatarsal. Sorry, 3 are the branches of the arcuate arteries. So आपको simple सा है plantar arch. So tell me how the plantar arch is formed. It is formed by, which is the main contribution to the plantar arch? बताओ कौन सा है main contribution plantar arch के लिए?
lateral plantar artery.
Lateral plantar artery, which is the actually the deep branch. जो deep branch है, how it completes? कैसे complete होता है plantar arch?
Anastomosing with
Communicated with
dorsal
dorsalis
pedalis
pedis.
artery.
Dorsalis pedis. Dorsalis pedis. कौन सा इंट्रोशिया है जहां से dip down करेगा dorsalis pedis to join this plantar arch? First dorsal
First
introssia.
introssia.
First introssia. यहाँ से dip down करेगा dorsalis pedis and it will join this plantar arch. Now the branches of the plantar arch. So three perforating, proximal perforating you can see here. This is the three proximal perforating arteries which anastomoses with the dorsal metatarsal arteries, and here are the four plantar metatarsal arteries which actually joins with the dorsal plantar metatarsal arteries. Plantar word नहीं, dorsal metatarsal arteries. जो dorsalis pedis की branch है first वाली और बाकी तीन जो है वो arcuate artery की branches है. So this is all about the sole of foot. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the muscles. In today's lecture I told you about the nerve and the arteries. So now if you have any doubt you can ask, otherwise I am done with today's lecture. Hello.
मैम फोर्थ मेटाटार्सल, मैम फोर्थ प्लांटर मेटाटार्सल आर्टरी जो है मैम वो किस किस से मैम होगा मैम, उसको एक बार एक्सप्लेन कीजिएगा.
See here, this is the fourth plantar metatarsal arteries which is actually dividing into the two proper plantar arteries. So it actually communicate with the fourth dorsal metatarsal artery. ये fourth जो है distal, ये जो plantar metatarsal arteries हैं इनसे perforating arteries भी arise होती है. जैसे ये जो three proximal वाली perforating arteries हैं, these are the branches of the plantar arch. और ये वाली जो distal वाली perforating है, these are the arising from these plantar metatarsal arteries and they anastomosis with the dorsal metatarsal artery. तो जो fourth वाला plantar है वो fourth वाले dorsal metatarsal से करेगा, which is the branch of the arcuate artery. ठीक है?
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
ओके. और ये हाँ एक और चीज देखो आप, ये जो प्लांटर आर्च है इसी से ही ये एक और डिजिटल ब्रांच जा रही है टू द लैटरल साइड ऑफ द लिटिल टो. द मेन ब्रांचेस आर दीज थ्री प्रॉक्सिमल परफोरेटिंग and four plantar metatarsal. In addition to this, there is another branch which is a digital branch to the lateral side of the little toe. क्योंकि ये साइड रह गया, इसको सप्लाई करने के लिए यहाँ पे डिजिटल ब्रांच है to the lateral side of the little toe. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you. Shall I terminate the